What we are observing is two microbes, one of which is absorbing the other. I can't identify these microbes, but what I can tell you is that it's gonna die. Notice when it's done consuming this other microbe, the cell wall creates a perfect circle. And seconds later, it simply bursts. I wish I could better understand why this happened. Did the microbe overfeed? Did it consume too much and burst from pressure? There's so much we still don't know about these tiny creatures. What I do know is that the microbes are regenerative. They are constantly breaking down organic matter and other substances. They'll also bind substances and metals that may be toxic to them, protecting themselves, and in turn protecting the plants that in turn protects us. They are creators of life, tirelessly breaking down nutrients, recycling and regenerating to foster new life. It's fascinating how the smallest actions can have such significant effects. It's about understanding how the smallest units of matter interact and influence the world around us. Even the tiniest particles can have significant effects. I'm convinced that it's all connected. And what's left behind, although I have seen microbes burst, I've never seen what looks like organic matter. Essentially an island filled with all the necessary nutrients. And why is this one so different? It seems to be held together by glues and other compounds, demonstrating the different regenerative modalities of microbes.